so much. Bye, sweetie. Happy birthday to me, yeah. Man, that is so much fun. I love birthdays. Those are the best. What's up, man?
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good. Haven't
Good.
been back in a while, so it's nice to be back.
Man, well, it's so nice to have you back. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for showing up.
Absolutely, man.
So, how's your day been?
My day has been wonderful.
What have you been up to?
Pretty much just hanging out with people. I love people, man.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, people are the best.
absolutely,
Yeah.
completely agree.
You have a lot of friends?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Who's your best friend?
Oh well, Shrek is pretty great.
Shrek is pretty good. Wait,
Yeah.
Shrek's your best friend?
Is he your best
Wait,
friend?
yeah?
Do we have a problem? I don't know.
No.
We're good?
No. I
Okay,
mean,
good.
you know, people can have multiple best friends.
Good. I
man.
wanna make
I'm
sure, yeah.
not offended that Shrek would have a friend, you know, that I didn't even know about or ever hang out with.
I don't really hang out on the swamp much, so maybe that's why I don't say it.
Okay, then that explains everything.
What is your favorite ride here?
My favorite ride? Man, my favorite ride, that's tough. Probably the Starway.
Oh, good one.
Yeah.
That's a good one. Awesome. Can I take a selfie with you?
Of course you can.